Hello. Today we will walk through how a student can access Zoom on their Chromebook. The easiest way for this to happen is in your Zoom meeting, you will copy the link and you will send it to them. It will look something like this. Once the student has this link, they can simply click on it and it will automatically launch Zoom for them. If this method isn't working, you can walk the student through to test that they have Zoom installed on their Chromebook. To do this, you will go down to the bottom left-hand corner and the little icon and click. In the pop-up window, if they've used Zoom recently, you'll see the application right here. If not, just click the up arrow and they'll see all of their applications. If they see Zoom, it's installed on their computer. If they don't see Zoom, please contact technology and let them know. Once they find Zoom here, if the link isn't working, they can simply click the link. It will not open up the Zoom meeting already in progress. They will get a screen asking them to input the meeting ID. You can find that by clicking the little eye icon in your Zoom meeting window. You'll see meeting ID and you'll see these numbers. They will need to manually input the numbers, and that will allow them access to your meeting. Of course, the easiest method, if possible, is to just send them a Zoom link through Seesaw or Google Classroom or their student email. Thank you for your time.